Hello, hello, hello again. You got Rock the Boat, Ed and Gina. We're going on a princess cruise on a Sun Princess room 17402. Consequently, if you get this room, you are right at the emergency exit door. Come into the room. Got a nice long hallway-ish type room. It's not 100% modern digital, but it does look like a fairly decent modern air conditioner. It's your room. Watch your step going into the bathroom. We have a fairly decent sized bathroom here. Fluffy for poo. Well, it depends. You might have to turn a little bit to get into the door. But once you're in, you got room. And you got room on the booty booters. And this may not be granite, but there's a very nice white sink here. Hot, cold, large lighted mirror. No mini mirror, shading mirror though. You got the granite tile around the sides. They give you a few amenities, some body lotion, and some hand wash. Complimentary glasses. 3 shelves for your items. You have, actually I don't think that's for us. Oh, yes it is. Push button drawer. If you do not know how, you push it to open it. Took me a while to figure that one out. You have shelves here at the bottom, or a shelf at the bottom for items. Little trash can. Rack for your towels. Off to the important bit, the shower. You got a door for your shower. Thank you, princess. No shower curtains. Come in and it's a fairly decent, it's decent this way, but not this way. So you may have to turn a little bit if you're a little on the wider side. Also, this will be fine for me because I'm short, but you tall people may end up having some trouble. It just depends. Hot, cold temperature gauge. And you even have leg shaving footstool. Along with, in case you get kind of woozy in the shower. You'll be like, oh my gosh. Got the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. They come pre-made, put in for you. Shower head. That you can take off and go shh. That's gonna get me trouble. Also, you got the line for to hang your bathing suits for it to dry. Alrighty then. Over here you have emergency actions. Shows where you are, at where your muster drill is, and how to get there. Farther into the room, you have a full-length mirror so you can style a profile and dress. See how you're going. Here on the bed side, you have USB-A, USB-C, and American plug by the bedside, along with a reading lamp and a drawer for your stuff. Come around to the other side of the bed, and you have the same setup on this side of the bed with the plug-ins, American plug-in, USB-C, USB-A, reading light, and light switches, along with the drawer for your smaller items. Additionally, along with that, you got a TV across from the bed. Thing about this room, even though it's long and it's 2 sections, it'll give you 2 TVs. One for the bed part, and then another for the sofa area. We'll get to that later. Over here you have storage for items. Typical safe. with your life vest up here in case you need it. Hopefully you'll never need that. A rather large type drawer. Echo. That's a pretty big drawer.
It's deep.
That's a very deep drawer for a cruise ship. I don't think I've seen any of them that big.
On Celebrity, they had deep drawers.
They had Celebrity on the other Celebrity they did?
Yeah, they had deep drawers.
Deep drawers.
Okay.
Along with that, this is different for us. Frosted glass closet. So you can see all your clothes. You got cubby holes, side right here, and a large amount of hangers that we will be using, with the lights that come on when you open the door.
With some have the clips on them,
And some do not.
and some just a regular. So, and then you also have a laundry bag right there.
For in case you want to do laundry by here. I like the frosted glass doors
I
though.
do. I like the light.
And you have a separate closet on this side. This will probably be my closet.
No, because mine got dresses.
With some complimentary
Robes.
robes, umbrella,
That
and
look.
slippers.
Mm.
I won't be using it.
Slippers down here.
Umbrellas.
Umbrellas back there. They should give you 2 umbrellas.
So this one is long enough if you have a long dress, long gown for you long flowy gown people. Right here. Turn around, you got your
Desk.
desks right here with a chair,
Vanity.
with an actual chair, and lights so that you can go ahead and do whatever you got to do. Nobody really uses that anyway. You have European style plugs here, or a European style plug, and then 2 American plugs with 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A.
One of these days he's going to stick his finger in the socket and go, zzz.
Going to get a whole new video on that one. You have 2 drawers that you can stash stuff away in over here. And you have 1 drawer where you can stash stuff in here.
It has your hair dryer
Your hair
in
dryer.
the drawer. This is
Your
your
typical cruise ship cooler.
with nothing in it.
It's not. You have a gift bag that you got when we came in. This gift bag was sitting on the bed. Gina was very excited. She's like, "Oh, we got gifts! What did we get?" And I opened it up, and it was empty. Apparently, the bag is the gift from the Sanctuary collection. That's your gift right here. This bag. It's a nice bag, but that's what you get as a bag.
Maybe this.
Complimentary bottle of wine, some Sinduri. I don't know if everybody in the Sanctuary gets that or if it was because of our loyalty. I have no clue. I couldn't tell you. Got some shelves up here if you want to stash some items.
That's about it.
Hello! You get a privacy curtain here on the side, just in case you have another guest with you that's using the sofa bed.
I want to say that's a sofa bed.
Oh,
Is
this
it?
I'm pretty sure this is, yep, that's the sofa bed.
Mhm.
You have a sofa bed right here, and then you have this curtain in case for privacy. Along with that, whoever's over here gets their own TV and a footstool.
But not very big table.
Not a very big table, but we generally aren't going to be using it a lot anyway. So it doesn't seem it's stable enough for a cup of coffee.
So,
You can have your coffee.
if you're gonna get breakfast in the room, did they bring you in a bigger table?
They probably have to bring you in a bigger table.
Right.
Now we're going outside. Balcony. Say it's a medium-sized balcony. It's not super small. We've had some where the space is right from about here on back. It's not huge. I'd say it's like medium. Along with that, you got a table, and it comes with footrests. Both chairs come with a footrest.
And this is a Sanctuary Collection
Sanctuary Collection Suite.
balcony
Balcony.
mini suite.
Mini suite. It is a mini balcony selection, sanctuary mini suite. Now the thing about this being in the sanctuary section, we were waiting in line, and they had a separate section for the sanctuary guests and the full suite guests. And so we waited for a little bit in that line, and when the time came, they went around the large line downstairs into the sort of like an expedited to the security check-in.
I would say they cut across the line.
They cut across the line for the full suite guests and the sanctuary guests. And from there, that was the longest part, was waiting for them to open it up. Once they opened it up, I'd say it was about 3 minutes for us to actually check in. It was about 2 minutes. I'd say it was about 5 minutes to get to the security check-in. And after we got out the security check-in and went to the actual check-in, it took like 3 minutes. All right. Now that concludes the tour for the room. Please like and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up if you so choose. Leave a comment, and I personally will answer your comment back. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Bye.